Alright. So I found this piece of metal the other day. And I figured that I would that I would try to make a throwing knife, because I asked for some throwing knives for Father's Day. My son went and got me some throwing knives. I was throwing them around and stuff like that. And they were alright. They seemed decent. They weren't very heavy though. And then one of them busted in half. So I decided to find this piece of scraps, you know, steel or metal or whatever the fuck it is, and fucking grind all the fucking rust off and try to make a throwing knife out of this. Whoops, I don't know what I was flipping around for, but I'm gonna go down here to the shed and see what I could fuck with down here to see if I could cut it out and grind all this shit off to see exactly how good of a throwing knife I can kind of make. Alright, got all this stuff down here. A little cutter. What the fuck that's for? Got some iPro. What's this? Another cutting disc or something. I don't know. I don't know what any of this shit's for. I was just gonna fuck with it until I was able to make something out of this. So hopefully it'll be cool. Now let's start fucking around. I thought I was recording the whole time I was grinding this motherfucker, and I wasn't. But as you can see now, it's pretty shiny. Do some more grinding. Get the rest of this little bit of rust off. It looks pretty good. Probably gonna have to change this fucking thing out. Now, let me just say again, I have no fucking idea what I'm doing with any of this stuff. Alright, got the thing changed out, nice and fresh. I'm gonna fucking grind this shit up. Fucking gloves, but no iPro, right? Why? Fuck that. Ooh, maybe I can make like a Batarang out of that other piece right there. I don't know. Let me move this shit right over here, because it seems a little better. Bad angle. How about that? Whatever. This shit is thick too, man. Fucking super thick. I don't know if you can see how thick that is, but goddamn. Oh, look, check this out right here. Am I even recording that? Oh yeah, I am. Now let's try to get this fucking edge cut off. I was gonna shape that shit and all that, but I think I'm just gonna fucking like file this tip or some shit, because goddamn, cutting this whole thing out, I think it'll probably just be easier to make like a little fucking a big piece of throwing steel with like a little bit of an edge on it. You can see it already has a slight edge on it, but I'm gonna put even more of an edge on it because that's tight. Big ass piece of sharpened steel. Fuck, I don't know. Let's fucking set this up. Alright. Yeah, look at that fucking shiv. Shing shing. Now we just need to make a little bit of a point on it. I'm gonna show you this right here, and then I'm gonna cut it off in a quick second, because this is gonna take a minute. But look at that shit. Shing! Oh fuck yeah. This is gonna be a good ass piece of throwing metal. I wouldn't even know if it's a throwing knife. It's just throwing metal. So I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut the recording, and then I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna put some more footage when I get this edge ground down some more, because that motherfucker is thick, man. All right. Whew. Sucker's kind of hot. Look at that shit, though. That looks better, way better than the fucking rusted piece of metal I had. Now I'm gonna go and throw it at something. That's like a fucking super hardcore Persian shank. Go throw it at this piece of plywood back here, or some wood or whatever. I was gonna make it to like the Farcry piece, but I think I'm gonna use like old saw blades or something for that one, because fucking this one would take forever, man. I've been fucking out here. I'm literally fucking sweating my ass off. I felt it. It's not cool, but yeah, it would have taken a long time. So I've seen another one that kind of looked like this on YouTube, so I just decided to fucking, you know, cut the edge off and make one like that. But to make like the Batarang ones, or a fucking just one that wouldn't break, you know, I think I'm gonna use an old saw blade or something, because this one, like I said, is too thick. That's over a 1/4 inch thick, man. That sucker is fucking hardcore. Like, that shit ain't breaking. Like the one my son got me, it's not gonna happen to this one. So we'll see. I'm gonna set this up right here. Let's see if it sticks into this. Hold on a second. Good throw. That sucker is hardcore. I don't want to stick it in the tree because it's still alive. Oh, fail. Oh. Yes. Oh, that's gonna be so loud on this right here. Yeah, it is. Dang. The sucker's so heavy it's not even gonna stick. Oh. Hell yeah. Let's get another one. Ah, Gypsy, get out of the way. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, almost the same exact. Damn. That shit punched a hole through that shit. I seen the light on the other side. Jesus. Woo. Oh, look. Fucking bent the tip a little bit. You see that shit? I don't know if you can or not. It's focusing on me. God damn. That shit is fucking intense. Hell yeah. Like this kind of shit, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Check out my link, floresdesign.bigcartel.com. Follow me on Instagram, _floresdesign. I can't think of what else. Oh, Patreon link. Don't forget, check out my Patreon link. The Uber link if you want to be an Uber driver. Oh, shit. I'll put the link up on the fucking throwing knife if you want to check out the video I seen that made some kind of looking like this. Although fucking probably definitely not as thick. Fucking, that shit would have taken forever to get this shit down to that fucking thinness. I didn't even get a whole fucking edge on that shit either. Till next time, I'm out. Okay, so I thought I was done. And then my son, he wanted me to make a batarang out of the scrap piece. So I made a batarang. I'm about to sharpen it up right now because it's not really pointy enough to stick. We were just doing some test throws and it was just bouncing off the wood because it's not pointy enough, I don't think. And then I'm gonna make this one into like one of the, I'm gonna attempt to make it into like the Farcry style one. I've seen this shit on the King of Randoms channel. He made a batarang and the Farcry throwing knife out of some much thinner metal, so it was probably way quicker, but it'll still be dope nonetheless. Okay, so here's my not exact Farcry throwing knife. Here's the batarang after I sharpened it up and stuff.
What was that?
How
Ching.
pointy it is on the tips and stuff now. That shit's so tight. Yeah. Alright. Now we're gonna do our throwing test with my newly improvised piece of throwing steel, throwing shank, and the batarang over there. Ooh yeah, that's so tight. I need to make one of those for myself. Now I need to borrow this step stool.
Okay.
Okay, go for it. Chuck that sucker. Yeah. Oh! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Ah. It's alright. They can't all be winners.
The first one was definitely.
Yeah.
First try.
Let's see how this sucker goes. Hopefully the first try too.
Ready, set, go.
Ah, dude! Come on, man! Let me see that one. I want to try. You want to try mine? I didn't even make it yet. Wait. Let me fix the wood. Ah. I was about to be hating if you were going to make that shit. Oh, come on.
I'm doing a mission. Dad, ready?
What's the mission?
To throw the batarang at the piece of wood. We're about to go.
Well, you're not going to make it from there, man. Don't throw it that far. Come on over here. Yeah. I'm about to chop all this shit out so nobody sees me missing.
Oh!
Damn you!
It was like, whoa.
Oh, I fucked my tip up.
What if I want to throw it one more time?
Fucked it up. But, good thing it was just a piece of scrap.
What hole is there? Chip that. I made a scratch!
That's better.
Oh, Dad, look it.
The camera saw you cheating. Wait. That's fucking perfect almost. Oh yeah.
Oh! I did not just put that in, I threw it in.
I know, dude. I want to say it almost did better when it was longer. God damn it. Let me try that Batarang. Let me see that thing. Here's my attempt at the Batarang. Hopefully I get it this time.
You get it every time with a free Batarang.
I know, I'm about to make myself a Batarang out of this fucking thing.
You have to make it good like this.
God damn it.
Who's Batman now?
I'm Batman, boo!
I'm kicking your
I
butt.
don't care. Let me get a super hard one.
Oh. That ready for mine?
Fucking time. So, don't forget if you like this kind of shit,
Oh!
subscribe to my channel.
Jesus Christ!
Give me a thumbs up. Check out my merchandise at floresdesign.bigcartel.com.
And
Follow me on
recording the
Instagram.
phone for in a while.
Follow me on Instagram at _floresdesign. I think I'm gonna try to make some Batarangs out of saw blades or something because
I made it.
he's just throwing that Batarang like a fucking gangster. Now my throwing knife sucks because I fucking changed it. So, till next time, I'm out.